Everyone has heard the crowing of a rooster, telling the world that he is cock of the walk, but many people do not know that chickens have many other vocalizations that have special meanings. When a baby chick is lost, cold, or hungry, it gives distress calls. When the baby chick is returned to its companions or to the warm incubator from the cold, or is given food, it gives pleasure or contentment notes. Another group of sound signals are made by mother hens to attract their chicks. As a broody hen walks along, she keeps clucking, and to the chicks, this clucking means, "Follow me." When a mother hen discovers some grain or other food, she scratches and pecks at the food and calls her chicks with excited food calls, and the chicks come running from all directions. At nightfall, the mother hen finds and settles down in a good place where she wishes to spend the night, and calls her chicks to come and be brooded, using a special roosting call that to our ear sounds like the purring of a contented cat. Chickens have various notes to express different degrees and kinds of danger. One of these warnings signifies a ground predator, such as an approaching dog or man. When a hawk flies into the chicken yard, the adult chickens each give a loud scream, and this hawk warning causes the chicks to run and hide at once, under or next to any nearby object. However, if the source of danger is not nearby or is moderate, such as a man moving some distance away, the birds may merely give less disturbed calls. Thus, these alerting notes by a broody hen merely cause her chicks to freeze into an attitude of tense alertness. When a chicken is caught by a predator, for example, as when a hen is held in the hand by a man, the bird gives loud fear squawks. Two barred rock roosters, sparring with each other, keep up a low growling or grumbling as each tries to find an opening. These threat notes signify readiness to attack another bird. Goats have a warning call against predators. For example, mother goats may snort on smelling or seeing a dog. When a kid is separated from its mother, the kid gives distress calls. These are high-pitched and prolonged cries. A mother goat separated from her kid bleats in distress. These calls are high-pitched, relatively prolonged notes. When a kid is returned to its mother, she shifts to a lower-pitched attraction call. A lamb separated from its mother gives high, prolonged distress calls. When a ewe is separated from her lamb, she calls her characteristic baa. And when her lamb is returned, she shifts to a lower-pitched gurgling note. The mother of a newborn lamb calls repeatedly in a low, gurgling voice that apparently attracts the lamb. A mother goat with a newborn kid gives low, segmented calls repeatedly, and these calls apparently attract the kid. A billy goat gives a rolling sex call as he approaches and comes next to a female in heat. He does some snorting as well. A rival male approaches the same estrus female. The billy goat moans loudly and attacks his rival. Goats may give low, relatively prolonged threat sounds just before driving competitors from a food supply. The threat sounds are interspersed with clashing of horns. It may be remarked that sheep also give the rolling sex call and threat sounds, and in quite similar form to these sounds as given by goats.